Why, hello everybody. So this is going to be a little different style. This is kind of the style I'm going to be doing for the next little bit while I'm down in Florida, but I wasn't going to do a packing video, but I'm going to do more of a packing vlog because I don't have time nor the effort to sit down and film everything. That's just not happening. So, I have a mess in front of me. It's difficult. I was planning on only doing one suitcase and one carry-on, not two, one. And a purse. It's not happening. It's definitely not happening. And this is after, I'll show you my mess. And this is after bag sealing. This is after space bagging my clothes. And I'm not even bringing really any bedding. All I'm bringing is my pillow and a cover sheet. Kind of like, it's a very thin, comfier sheet to put over top of the bed. Didn't realize I have that many hair products and lotions and stuff I needed to bring. So, I'm just going to move all this because that's like directly on the top. You don't need to see those. Those can go on the floor. People don't need to see that. So, coming back this way, this is the mess. So we have all my clothes, or majority of my clothes fit in here. And then my pillow, the rest of my clothes, there's not really many. This is just some sweaters in here, as well as my pillow and that sheet. This big bag has a mess of stuff, as in hair products, lotion, shampoo, conditioner. This I technically don't need. Yeah, I'll take that out. Perfume, face stuff, body wash, dry shampoo. That's in here. I also have a power bar fit in there. And then this is still pretty empty, but this is probably most organized. This is my carry-on because I'm spending a few nights at my uncle's house, so I have this. Sketch pad, I'm gonna bring that. Washer, dryer stuff. Still have to fit my hair straightener, all my shoes, loofah, my hats, this thing, all my ears, those are shoes, hair elastics, headbands, slippers, that I'm wearing to the airport, and this mess. This is my purse. Gotta find stuff that's in there. But this is the mess. It's gonna be fun. I have pretty much everything on my bed. Give me a second. Actually, what I was saying was hopefully I can fit everything into one bag. If not, I'm gonna have to do two bags. Unless my mom can do some wonderness with everything that I have. I don't have any of my makeup, any hair stuff, any shoes. But it's also hard because you need certain things in your checked luggage that you can't bring in your carry-on that has to be in your checked luggage. So that's hard to fit everything that you need in there. So hopefully everything will fit. If I fit everything, I'll come back to you guys once I figure everything out. But you will see if everything fits in one bag. I will show you how to fit everything in one checked bag, because that's going to be a miracle in itself. But I will also show you, obviously, if there's two bags, it's easier to do two bags. But if I fit everything in one, I will show you little tricks if I do fit it in. I never actually said my location yet because we got that on Monday. Today is Thursday. I fly out on Saturday. But, so my location, I am working at the ESPN Wide World of Sports complex, which isn't what I expected, but I am excited about it because, one, I've never been there, and the amount of times I've been to Disney, I've never been to the ESPN complex, and two, well, technically three. So, two, I love sports. I'm a sports junkie. I love basketball and soccer. I've been playing soccer since I've been about 3. 3 years old, and I've been playing basketball since I've been about 9 years old. So I've been playing those my whole life. I absolutely love sports. I love watching sports. So that for me is going to be a good thing. As well as the third point is it's different. It's different than your typical work in the parks, work on the rides, work on the attractions, do the shows. This is something that's different that I think would be a good experience because it's not that it's not normal, but it's not typical, and it's not the first thing that comes to your mind, which will be pretty interesting to see what exactly I'll be doing while I'm there. So that is probably extremely exciting for that. But I will come back to you guys once everything is packed. So it's the next day, and I forgot to film yesterday because I was too tired and I didn't want to deal with any of the packing anymore. But we decided to go 2 bags, a carry-on and my purse. My purse is pretty big, but it will fit under the seat. So my laptop's gonna go in there and all that kind of stuff. But I still have a few last minute things that I need to put in my carry-on. I just got a new phone a few days ago, so I'm re-adding all my music, fixing that, adding new music, getting all that ready for the flight. I had to charge my portable charger, have my passport set out aside, my passport holder. My laptop I'll put that in tonight once I'm done editing this, filming this, blah, blah. But, so this is what I have. So we have this honker that, why did I do that? This one is about, I think like 43, 44. And this one's just a few pounds lighter. So they're around 40, 45-ish pounds each, which is under the 50, which is perfect. This little guy, my carry-on. When I have my connecting flight, this one is actually going to become another checked, but even though it's a carry-on on the first one, it's fine, because I know all carry-ons become checked on the second one, so that's kind of okay. But, so I have to put my charger, which I've been using to charge my portable charger, and my knockoff Fitbit, bathing suit that my sister finally let me use, finally found, and then my poncho I need to put in, so that's gonna all come in there. So I have my carry-on, and then my purse. It's probably a big size. It's like one of the like tote size bags, but this will fit under the seat. So in here, I have a magic band, the changeable bracelets, and some other things that I could probably throw my carry-on, which I probably will. A water bottle. So you can't bring a filled water bottle, but you can in your carry-on bring an empty water bottle. So I'm planning on doing that so I can fill it up while I'm at the airport. So I have that. I have a notebook that my friend gave me for an early birthday present because I'm not going to be home for my birthday, so she gave me this. So I'll be writing different notes as I go along. What else am I writing in it? I'm also going to be writing like my schedule and my hours and that kind of stuff I'm going to do in here. This is kind of like a little makeup bag type of thing that I put Kleenex, my nail file, some phone cases, some earrings, and my jewelry is all in here, so this is going to be carried with me. My other friend helped me, or got this for me for my birthday as well, so that works. Oh, I'm going to see if my mom's home. Nope, we're good. Okay. We're still good, and this is an absolute disaster. But okay, next thing. So I have a book to read on the plane or in the airport. This is my binder. So if you guys haven't seen the video about this, I'll put it up in that top corner. So this is the binder with all my information. I have my flight information here, and I have my itinerary on here now, so that's all ready to go. I just need to put my uncle's address in here so I know that, so the airport and customs know that's where I'm going for the first few days, as well as my sketchbook. I'm hoping to be able to do some sketching while I'm down in Florida, so I have that. And then at the bottom, oh, got more things. So chapstick, and my pen that I got on my last trip, so my Minnie Mouse pen. And at the very bottom, I have a Cosmo, because why not? My friend got that for me for my birthday, so I'm going to be reading that on the plane if I don't want to read a full book. This is a mess. And then, oh, that's going to fall, that's going to fall. Okay. So, and then I'm going to be putting my laptop in there as well. I'm going to obviously carry my phone with me, my passport, my money. This has my camera battery charger and my bracelet, like the little attachment that goes onto the cord. That I'm probably going to throw in my carry-on if I can. This is coming with me in my purse. This is my charging case. So I have this for my phone. I need to do one last thing, which is make my picture hanging thing. So I got little clothespins from Walmart. They were about $2. I have string and I have some lights. So command hook, I need command hooks. I'm not gonna be hanging too much stuff up, but definitely for this with my pictures, I'm definitely gonna be hanging up. So I need to get some command hooks for that, but I'll be making this to clip all my pictures in that I'm bringing. And then I think that is everything. So I will be posting this. This is now, I started filming, or I started packing all this week, but actually putting it in the suitcase. I started doing that yesterday. So that was May 3rd. Today is May 4th. May the 4th be with you all. And then I fly out tomorrow at 4:15, I think. 4:30. So my first one's at 4:30. So that's when my first flight is, and then I have an hour layover in Atlanta, and then I fly another hour out. So I'll be getting to Florida tomorrow night, staying at my uncle's for a few days, and then heading to check in on Monday morning. So everything's getting more real because it's very close. Hopefully I'm not getting washed out because of the light behind me. So we'll see when I edit this. But next time you'll see me will be tomorrow. Going over to the States, and I will be doing a little travel vlog on me getting to the airport and all that kind of stuff. So stay tuned for that. That will probably come out on Monday, because that's probably the next time I will get full Wi-Fi access, like enough that I'll spend time, or that'll probably be the next time I have to sit down and edit. All that will be Monday night. It'll probably be a late night Monday with check-in, but I'll also film that so you guys can see that. Maybe I'll combine the two. I don't know yet, but we'll see how it goes. So this will be the last time you see me before I actually travel over to the States to go to Florida for the Disney College program. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys soon. Bye!